Kesurupat ba hapoh ke jingialam uba arwin stutnga mynta sngi kalai tarik lber kalayo ban ye kynduh bat ladpahthai Khubor Shillong press club ban penpau nongmih khmat ke Jylla ki bidang shah jied thymmai hynnin ke sngi ba kapor kala Donkam ban thaw ke Sorkar Kaba Khlem bat Kaba Khlem bamsap. Kumba kalong ha ke Sorkar baladep hapoh ke jingialam ke NPP lapau shai shibun ke jingklumar hapoh ke Jylla bat ke jingjur ke bamsap. Nakaliang kesurupat ba kila penpau ba kapor kala Donkam ban thaw ke Sorkar Kaba Khlem ke NPP. Nakaliang kini kirang ba kila itu ba Donkam ye kiseng riulum kum ka UDP VPP ringkat bat ka Kongres bat ka EITC bat kiwe bat kiseng riulum ban ye don ka jingis ngotho jingmut ban thaw ke Sorkar Kaba Khlem ke NPP kenang ban pen khuid nyo ye ka bamsap ka jingkai tu ye udoyong bat kiwe.
But hangtai kat kum ke jingi ki jongi ki don lai pumak ki amale. Ki bom tre banya snow bat ke NPP. Kini ki kentup nadu ke UDP, ke HSPDP, PDF, Kongres, TMC. Badru ki omba u independent bajok nar berai udan lang. Bad ke VPP ro. Lang kini baru kila long lai po. Banga sutanat banga kynduh ba arden mana master. Ula penpau bala ai khatsan point. Khatsan point kiba ka VPP ka voice of the people. Kabari simbol pra. Kila bu ia katakan nongrem. Kam tam ban pendu noi ka bamsam. Ban pendu nai ka jinglut put ka Sorkar. Ban khang no sendon ya ka jingkit do yong tu. Ban manra ya ka sensar ka ba yo ban pentri kamlut ya ki jingiada ya ka chat review ka jongi ba ka state ka jongi lamba constitution do India. Ba ter ki bon ki yu ba nga so ya ha. Namar ka tu sngi iba saibor ila kren nakaliang ka surpa iba ni omba ni Donkam ya ka clean government, ni Donkam ya ka corruption free government, ni Donkam ban yo kam yo jam samla, ni Donkam ban yele persya ka drugs, ni Donkam ban Paidbah khamtam ki longgien kin kiu khmat, kan don ka jingada ki nongmih bat ki thai ki chinran khamtam ki kelum. De halor kan ni sotho ba anda ni yo ban ya kran mentan ni sotho ba kini ro kibai don lang hantai. Sngi hadirin ba la yo ya result. Jong election ka ba dang sudah. Shua ban yo ya result kum kusur Paidbah ngila ai ka statement siya ka jay ban reo ba ngidon kam ban yo ya ka Sorkar Kaba Khuid ka Sorkar Kaba Ntray sisay nakabanta ki imlang sa lang bat ka jimuto jong Paidbah kamtam paduk bista. De andalami ka result ni iba kabon ka jingklumar kamtam ka jingya tebot ba. Hapadeng ki jing shah keno bamsap ki jing keno ba biang ka sensar kadar ka jing ki jing sisar ki balapau ba bon ki banta. Andre Paidbah pada kawan pai ka NPP arpundri BJP usaha ka kiu ke UDP khatbai ka TMC gala tangsan ka Kongres pada ka hiar sa kesan ka PDF na kasaw kisa bat bon ki reb ki batbay ki khmat thymmai ki bon bhamda. But meneng ilai ibu konrad sama halor ka principal jong the largest being the single largest party. Ulale chu governor ban state ya kali. Rengkat bat ka BJP bat ki kamro bau way independent kartus armarak udan lambat ki. We have thoroughly discussed this matter. Baka even done a common minimum program based on common issues which are achievable. Hindi ban Shillong ka common minimum program ko ban Shillong only on paper. And ki ground realities, improving the education, improving the condition of the teachers, ke economic condition of the state, stopping illegal transportation of coal, tackling corruption. Corruption, because here it's not only politicians who are corrupted. The corruption stems even from amongst the bureaucrats. Because if the bureaucrat does not assist in the corruption, the politician will not be able to commit corruption. There are many programs which have been offered by the manifestos of these different parties. Donkam ba kinya shongla, kinya point by point. Haka snem kamunakong, snem ba ar, snem ba lai, snem ba saw, snem ba san. What is achievable? Kani ni Donkam ba. Mendai tang ka common minimum program. There should be accountability. Kadiban don ka report ka manus na. Ka ay palale, ka ay kabandang le. Kani ka Donkam ba. Takadaw, ni na kaliang kachongi ni Ongba, there should be an NPP-free government. An NPP-free government of the state, marbalay ngila de mat ya sanstem, ngila i ki ay ki jing lber, ngila i ki ay ki jing pala, ngila i ya ki jing bamsak ko la serkai pala, bat manta ngi kren, daka suru Paidbah ngi kren ba, ngi kersha ni kini kilai pungut, kalak banpoy sa kalai huwairu, ba kin thaw ke sarkar ki Donkam balik claim state ke claim menang sutu ba ke NPP ka lek lang rengkat bat ke BJP ka ba u Amit Shah ula de ong man kani hatura u ong ba ka megala ka de number 1 in corruption menta ba de armut kini ki MLA BJP ba de kila pai lang bat ke NPP te kata ka de ka kam ka jongki hanre Paidbah ude bang sutu ba imat ka jingialam election ka sudai tang ka kam ka but kam don ka jingmut ARM ka sudai batang ba kwa ban job election but anda poi ka thaw Sorkar pada mdon principle mdon kata ka jing perkhat ya ka jing pha jing miak jong ka state ka jongi but ki suya poi tang as a matter of political convenience. I'd like to address the people of the state after a very hard battle. We have seen that the people have come up with a hung verdict, where the NPP with 26, the BJP with 2, the UDP with 11, the voice of the Trinamool Congress with 5, the Congress Party with 5, the Voice of the People with 4, the PDF with 2, the HSPDP with 2, and 2 independents. This is the mandate. Likes to put black paint on their face. Because you see, if that is their intention, then they have no sincerity of purpose. They were the ones who said that NPP government, MDA government led by NPP, by Conrad Sama, is the most corrupt number 1 in the country. Now they are going and running after them. They'll topple a government that has all the intention to deliver. In fact, I think that the BJP should be glad they were trying to bring in a corruption-free government. This is one of their promises in their manifesto. So if they are going to come and topple this government just because of political convenience, without taking into consideration the principles on which we are now fighting for a clean government, then let them do it. Let the people bring them to task.
Another thing that
People, if election was a computerized system, then we can blame the people. But this is where you see that poverty, financial need, ignorance has played a part in bringing NPP back. Because without understanding the issues, without understanding what this government has done, they have blindly voted because free khana, free booze, free drinks, free dancing. Because of that, everybody got into the emotion that no, we'll support this candidate. So it is now, when everything is quiet, when everything now, people have a chance to think that we are coming in as Sorkar Paidbah. We're coming in as Sorkar Paidbah, the voice of the people. We're coming in to tell people that, look, we have to give a chance to these 30 or 31 who can form a government without the NPP. Pi galong kuni. Ni hapan ay la chwai. Lada kimla ngi haban ra ai ganik isu supaya. Nomor balai hapadeng ka jingialam election hapadeng ka jingi kena kenta borok ngi eklet ya kawai. Ka don ka agenda menta ke bawan napo India. Na mainland India ke bawan. Hapoh ka jingialam juga BJP berka RSS. Ka batbu kan penduk ya ke constitution kali India. Kata ka bangi Donkam bantakal lah jingsia. This is one of the main, without question, the coalition partners in the new dispensation, new political dispensation, ki hapan pelong ki kani kam number 1. Now so tanat baka voice of the people, ki ongba, we need better protection under the constitution. We need better implementation of the constitutional machinery to protect our people, to protect our right to religion, to right to belief, to protect our rights as minorities. Kani appreciate the voice of the people. Das kawai nga sutrat ba yung ipi ba hakapor mga kynduh yo ba arden nga kynduh nga kran ba kijumba Charles nga kran ba lajan paro ay kini kayo sutrat ba ka attitude ka jongki kalong ka attitude constructive attitude kam dei ba ki kwa nga ngo ni tay Dr. Mukul sama ngala kran nduk menin Ukraine na siya ongi we have to rebuild Magna. Dahang ta nga sutu ba Dr. Mukul sama is also willing to make the sacrifice. He's willing to work together. Ngay keren pat kiba ki dapat wat kiba thymmai kiba japro. Katay ki jimot ki joki. We have to rebuild Meghalaya. Jadi kani nakarpa di Paidbah pan ialam. We need a government without the NPP. That has to be clear. We need a government without the NPP. Kajing job kajoki arpunre ki ongidon ka mandate. There is no mandate. This is a fractured mandate. This is a hung house, hung assembly. Therefore, habakalong kumta, ki parti mendon kawai bayo full majority. Ki don ka banyo light way banyo full majority. Mendon bayo. Hang ni ki bala ban deliver, ki bala ban ai sanchar. Halor ka jing don kam Paidbah, dei ban ai la kita.
To kata ka jingkili kalong ba shai, ka ba ngamot ban wara ne kalong ba kani ka jing long sa ka usam ta ka dei ka way na ki revolution. Ka ba penki ya ka san perkhat ka bakam tu. Ba kata kalong bangi i ba kani kalaktik ikisamla. Jong kari kasi. Saya katuk ani ki banta kum hakui pat ki jaga kila banlong da ka bor besar ya kata kalong ka jing sisa. Kali ka kalaktik kalong samla ba apoy ko haranda. Kalat kam yo jam. Kilinti jo ka an kum batai di adbasa jadi mata. Mata kata ngo syam ba hang ni ngalak smutu ba ka jing sedang jo ka jing sandori kari wajak beriu kadai mata sunan. Kadai mata. Bag mamut manong kalong ba kani jis lang sedang mata kalong i mata. Ba kanuksa ka jing job put jong ka VPP. Kum hamola tabang ngimpoy perkhat kani kala dung kurati ya ka jimut je perkhat jong ki samla ki khon je kari. Klam da je ka teng seng balang ka nei ta dung kurati kani ka i kai. Tengah mut banwan be sakal susan ke baong ba ngalak sedang ban ai ke jingero i ba apo ka is kasir kerpang. Baka pisah kam terkam su. Ka pisah kam terkam su. Kanong krem ka pisah kam terkam su. Kameliam kam terkam su. Kamolai kam terkam su. Ka pisah ke cakap nang sobat ai kublai kerpang se iki Paidbah apo ka is kasir. Bakila long advance suntah ka bajit ni kebat. Ingat nang ni kajus sedang jengi bagi mi sa khmat banam ailat dai ki aman e jengi bagi syat ye gari kembali terang kiti jog an ke sawandur tinggal syam ta kadang baka pisah kam trai kam su bagi job sedang arnut ki NPP kajing job ki arnut amparian ndai ke parti da ko burong amparian ndai ka Jylla ka jogahi banyak dai ba Paidbah banijan ka job ndak ye ngono parti da burong ka job iba perstun ro da ka Jylla jengi ban yele nak nak parti ni je kamut bakati ke parti kata kata ke jisa tingi ngasuk ai kublai ke pang Paidbah jak is khasils ngabu ang nikum ka jikerpa iki Paidbah juga giant hills subah syem ne kanuksa jak ri jak is khasils ini lang batai bang mut ban pasat hakabe de ka jingkli jopi
liang ila det nyo ka kabon ila pali jong ki mo ba pin ni khmat ba pin perkhat ke ai ka Sorkar Kaba Khlem mynta haba menne na kynduh wi khnak samlang ibang sudip yo thabon khathas nan yong ka Sorkar ayu ban mynta kilatin ya kata Sorkar NPP itiman beriru hayo habai kynduh iong ba kan wan biang se kata Sorkar NPP kalau pensuk kriat pensuk jer ik Paidbah nong susang tang meklem bang iong ba kasor Paidbah kawan khmat kan mi nong tok Paidbah bangi Donkam ya kasu ya Sorkar kan non NPP government mut klem ka NPP ni Donkam nomor ni lakte kita high level kilate ngi high level kilate kata corruption yok bangi ong ba rian sa sistem kan jari yu meklem ban này bây giờ nghiêm isi cả party NPP ngắm ông bằng nhiều vậy này cái chính lệ trong cả hay cái san system bảo đảm nhưng mà cái chính khi nado bahadang sedang hadu bahadang kun hadu mokro cái chính khi mokro kun par kham sẽ cái song sốc trong san sẽ cái takal way trong samla sẽ cái way cái pading masawan mà pen ban nghi don cái chính khi cũng sur Paidbah nghi wan khmat bar kam Shillong mynta hay cái singi asing la singi ko Paidbah ke nong Christian yang kandidat jom hi dah kentu bat dapat ha nomor hak ni asnya las ni kin syakit ki kulai ha shani shatai ban ngoi pi la da tu bat ni dei kumpi Paidbah pi ba penjok tun bro pi dem bat la da upen penjak bro mi pi dei ban penjak bro mi nomor kam dei ka sencha khada ka dei yak ka im jong ka chai pan la da kim biang ki non lam kata kala pulom lut ke eka Shillong thaw la daw noi lam po Shillong thaw ru bet biang ka jing senjar kada ka jur ka taru ka Shillong kan ka jing jok kum ju ni kan be clear ju ni kan tu Paidbah long bala pen kre a jing kerja ni ngim syukur tang hakane ba ni ong ba ngin su penlong tang ki media ngin pen he ki media ndai ni la pen kre plaka ni la pen kre ki demonstration nama bagi kwa ka senjar kada ka khuid hapoh ka Jylla ju ni ngim kwa su ye kituki bamsak ki bampong ka Jylla jungi ban ngim sukun tangan ni kasngi ban ni kentui Paidbah nong susnong bakin wan khmat ban ai jing kersian pura yengi namar ni tre namta ka chongpi ka jing mentoi chung Paidbah bar ka pateng masawan kani kari ka Sorkar ka ban long ka jing tem ne ka jing kerku ka ban ye kini pateng masawan